Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy unbagging for January. I'm not sure how I feel about this bag. I feel like it's very like little kid-ish. It's furry and pastel and I don't think I like it, but let's see what's inside. First we have Murad. This is a 3-step moisturizer. Are these like little, oh okay. For some reason, based on the shape of it, I thought they were going to be like pads for some reason. But yeah, little Ultimate Moisture sample there. We have that. Also have, I cannot even read what that's supposed to say. I'll have to look at the card. Rebel Eye Defier Pencil. That's a brown color. That's pretty. Looks metallic. Next I have Feels Mini. This is Dew of the Gods. Dry Erase Facial Scrub. It's a microdermabrasion. Pretty cool. And then, is this a mascara? Yep. Mascara from Beauty Vault. I get tons of mascara. This is a lip serum. It has hemp and peppermint in it. Not bad this month. Let's take a look at the card. The Year of You. So I got the moisturizer, the eye pencil, facial scrub, lip serum, and mascara. Most of which I will use. So good deal. If you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I'll put a link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.